Welcome to qnawire.
The null hypothesis is a statement of no effect or no difference. In this context, it represents the belief that the screws produced by the factory meet the quality standard and their length does not exceed 14 centimeters. So the null hypothesis, the mean screw length is less than or equal to 14 centimeters, would look like mu is less than or equal to 14, would be less than or equal to 14. The alternative hypothesis is a statement that contradicts the null hypothesis and represents the belief that there is an effect or a difference. In this case, it represents the factory's suspicion that the screw length exceeds 14 centimeters. So our alternative hypothesis is that mu is greater than 14. So the null hypothesis is that the mean screw length is less than or equal to 14 centimeters, and the alternative hypothesis is that the mean screw length is greater than 14 centimeters.